Hello friends, today we'll be covering section 70 and 71 of Transfer Property Act. Before I start with section 70 and 71, I would like to confess that in the last video I had, while dealing with section 69A, I had omitted to mention one point. If any difficulty arises in enforcing where the receiver has difficulty in enforcing the work carried out, then he can always take the help of the jurisdiction court in carrying out his function. I have put the link below for a convenience sake so that you can see section 69. And the last point in that is he can always take the help of the court, jurisdiction court, where the property is situated, to carry out the functions smoothly. And now coming back to section 70 and 71. Accession to the mortgage property. This concept, accession, is not new to you. Accession is something addition, some benefit has accrued to the property later. Now, what does the explanation part mean of accession? This, as usual, the section is for your benefit, for your reference sake. Now, let me go to the explanation part of the section. Explanation is when, in absence of any contract between the parties, if any property is given on mortgage and a loan is taken on the property, any benefit later is done on the property, any security is created afterwards on the property, on the mortgage property, that security will also go to the mortgagee. The security, the benefit which has made on the property, which also go to the mortgagee. This is what is conveyed in section 70. Now this you can understand with the help of an example. I will give the example to you now. This is an example. You can see a land, you can see a house and a land here. Now let us have this example in your mind. Now here, property, it was a mortgage plot first. Mortgage plot was given to the mortgagee and on that loan was taken. Later the mortgagor puts up the building, puts up the building on that. This building which he has put on the property, mortgage plot, is an accession, and this building will be a security for the money which the mortgagee has given on the mortgage property. So this is what section 70 wants to say. The accession can be of two types. Either it can be natural or which can be artificial. Artificial in sense it can be made by the person himself. So this example which I have given you is at the instance of human being, and the man, he himself has constructed the property. So whatever benefit he has made of the property will flow to the mortgagee till the mortgage money is cleared. This is the example of section 70. Let us move on to section 71. As usual, section 71 is for a reference, that is renewal of mortgage lease. Now, what is the meaning? What is the explanation part of section 71 say? Now, explanation part. See, in absence of any contract between the parties, if you don't have any explanation, any agreement between the party, you don't have any contract between the parties, then what does the law provide for? When the property is on lease, the mortgage property is on lease, and you have taken loan when the mortgage property was on lease. The subsequent lease which you have created, the mortgage has created a subsequent lease on the property. This subsequent lease also will the renewal of lease also will go to the mortgagee for the benefit of security for security purpose. The new lease also will go to the mortgagee. This is what is conveyed in section 71. I hope the concept is very clear. The sections are very clear. The example also is very clear, I think, by which you have understood the concept of accession. If you have any doubt regarding the section, you can just comment in the comment box. Thank you.